Hello, I'm Kent Graves with ChiroEquip and S2 Medco. We're a full-service equipment company for chiropractors and physical therapists. Today I want to show you the KDT decompression table. This is an excellent tool for multiple applications. We call it the multi-tool because you can do a lot of different things with it. For one thing, it's very well known for being a lumbar decompression table. It also has a cervical device, so you can do cervical setups, and there are maneuvers for even doing flexion. It's not a flexion distraction table, but you can do flexion distraction maneuvers. You can treat pregnant women on here in a side-lying position, and even other conditions that might require a side-lying position. There are extremity setups for doing wrist, knee, and hip and ankle traction. So those are very easily done on this table. The table also has an elevation feature, which will serve for 2 or 3 purposes. The first one, overlooked many times, saves on the back of the clinician by being able to raise the table up to the right operating position so that you can work without hurting your back. Secondly, it helps the patient get on and off of the table. So this qualifies also as an American Disabilities Act assistive device. So you can get a 50% tax credit on it, up to $5,000 if you are a small business qualifying for that requirement. And it's not really hard to qualify. We can go over details if you want to talk to me at some point in time. The table also has a drop built into it, so you can do lumbar and pelvic drops or even thoracic drops by adjusting the position of the patient. It also offers vibration therapy, which is excellent for relaxation, stimulating the nervous system to allow for the patient to stretch out easier, to release the muscle spindles, to kind of let them unwind, and the Golgi tendon organ lets go, and the patient's muscular system relaxes, and they stretch out much easier, getting decompression. It's also a good working platform for doing instrument adjusting, so you can use it with your activator, your adjusting instrument, percussors. It's also a great massage table. It's very comfortable, or doing other kinds of therapies. I highly recommend it because of the positioning advantages for the decompression itself. So I'm going to show you some of the positions here in just a second, but the table has 4 motors in it. One elevates the table up and down, another one adjusts this end of the table, another one adjusts the positions of this table, and then there's a vibration motor in there. So you really get a lot more for your money. And the table is really very well designed and thought out by those that have done decompression for 15 or 20 years and understand all of the nuances that are important to giving a good treatment to every patient, and not giving them a blanket one-size-fits-all type of a treatment.